If you're looking for a very realistic AI avatar like me,
Or maybe me.
Or me.
or maybe me again, to start creating content for your YouTube channel, Instagram Reels, selling courses on Udemy, and many other things, you're in the right place. With HeyGen AI video generator, you can choose from more than 1000 pre-made, realistic-looking avatars to create your own content. You can also create a new avatar or influencer from scratch and use it exclusively for your channels. You can even clone yourself and your voice, making your life much easier by creating videos with no microphone, no studio, and no equipment at all. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to do all these things and much more using this all-in-one AI tool that we use for all our channels. If you're someone who's too shy to show yourself, an introvert, or you simply don't want to expose yourself but still want to go viral, watch this video until the end and subscribe to our channel for more AI tools that can make your life better. We've been searching for the best AI avatar tool to create content for different social media platforms. We compared prices, benefits, and how the avatars actually work and look. They found that HeyGen is currently the #1 AI avatar tool. In fact, this entire video and all the videos on our channel are made with HeyGen. You can try it out and create videos for free. We'll leave the link in the description. If you decide to take it more seriously, you can upgrade to the Pro version, which is very affordable and comes without a limitation found in many other AI tools. We'll talk about pricing later. Let's start with the templates. When you go to the HeyGen homepage, you can see the different sections. You have Home, Projects, where you can see all the projects you've been working on, Video Agent, an amazing AI tool for generating videos, which we are going to talk about later. Apps, where you can find different applications, for example, to create video from photo, to translate a video, to advertise some of your products, and many other tools. You have Avatars, where you can create your own avatar and your own voice and use it for all your channels. Brand Kit, where you can add all your material like logos, voices, or anything that you need for creating your videos. And templates. As you can see here, you have different templates that you can use for different kind of videos. Also, depending if you want to create a video for your YouTube channel or maybe shorts or Instagram Reels, you can change from landscape to portrait. And you have different templates for advertisements, e-commerce, learning and development, or for example, if you want explainer video for your YouTube channel or any other course, social media, business cards, if you're filming about the news and many other things. To start creating video, just choose any of the templates that you like and then click Create with New AI Studio. As you can see here, you will have different elements that you can change. You can change any text on the screen, make it bigger or smaller, type in something different. You can change any element from the video. For example, you can get your avatar to be smaller or bigger. You can replace your avatar in any other avatar that you want, or you can choose just different look. Go to Replace Avatar and find any avatar that you like. For example, I'll choose Eric. The next step is to remove the avatar background. Click Remove and adjust your avatar size. Since there are many scenes in this news, I can just click to Apply to all scenes. Now you're going to see the same avatar in all of your scenes. You can also choose between the different voices, different languages. You can add your own voice, or you can choose from HeyGen library. There are a lot of different realistic voices. If you don't like any of these voices, or you already use some other platform like ElevenLabs, You can also upload your voice from ElevenLabs. I will also leave the link to ElevenLabs in description of this video, and we are going to have a separated video about ElevenLabs on our channel. Next thing to do is to create the scenes for your video. You can add new scene, you can upload your audio, and you can create a pause between any text you want. To make it shorter, I will just delete all the other scenes and keep just one for the purpose of this video. As you could see here, if you click these three dots here, you can create a new scene, duplicate scene, or delete. You can change the text if you click on the text right here and type in any text that you want. You can also choose to upload or record your own audio. If you take a look at the right side, you have AI, script writer, motion designer, image generator, video generator. That is almost every tool that you need for creating videos. If you click on the media, you can upload and add any media to your picture or video. You also have elements, music that you can use for background, captions. For example, I want to put captions into my video. You can choose from any template, make it bigger, smaller, or anywhere in the screen you want. You also have different templates you can choose from, different layers. For example, if you want text behind some picture, or if you want some picture in front of other pictures, you can adjust right here. And there are many things you can do. Feel free to explore. Once you finish, just click Generate to generate your video. And depending on the size of the video, your video will be ready in 1 to 5 minutes.
Thank you for watching our video. Follow Tesla Mind AI for more videos.
If you want to create a new video from scratch, click on Create, Create a Video, Create in AI Studio. The new window will appear, and here you can choose your video format. If you would like landscape or portrait, you can choose your background from the media or just simply upload the background. I'm going to upload from my computer, adjust it, choose the avatar right here. I will choose Zane this time. This one looks good. I will remove the background and adjust avatar wherever I want. Everything else is the same as I already explained in the templates video. You can type in your script, upload your audio, add elements, add scenes, and basically do anything you want. I will type in the text and click Generate.
I hope you see how amazing this AI tool for creating videos is.
The most amazing thing that HeyGen provides at this moment is Video Agent. Video Agent is a tool that makes you create any video you want. They put together some of the best performing video generators to create Video Agent that allows you to create amazing videos up to 3 minutes that can be videos from text or videos from image in any format you want. For example, you can create a background videos following some text, like some psychology channels do and make thousands of dollars every month. You can create news, long form or short form. You can just type in, for example, create a 60-second video about latest AI news. And the Video Agent is starting all the research and all the work for you. It will suggest you the content and you can proceed or just type in and change anything you want. For example, instead of doing this, I will upload a photo of me and type in the prompt that I want to be said. I will click Generate. It will suggest the outcome and I can just change anything I want or just click Create the video. In just a few seconds, video is done.
I hope you like this amazing tool. Like the video to support our channel.
Another reason why we choose the HeyGen to be the #1 AI video generator is their pricing. They have a free version where you can sign up and try all the things that I just mentioned. You have 3 videos per month, videos up to 3 minutes. You can try Video Agent and many other things. Have in mind that with these generations, you're still going to have a HeyGen logos on all your videos. And if you're serious about creating, starting your own channel, starting your AI influencer, selling courses on Udemy or anything you can think about, you have a creator version that is what is making HeyGen different than other platforms. With all the other platforms that have AI avatars, you don't have unlimited use. You pay monthly and then you can use avatar for up to, let's say, 20 to 30 minutes. Here you can create unlimited number of videos. All the videos can be up to 30 minutes. You can create your own avatars, clone your voice, and many other things. You can join with our affiliate link that is in the description, and you can also save 22% if you choose the yearly payment. In that way, your payment will be just $24 per month for unlimited use. You can go down and compare pricing plans and all the features included. Overall, in our opinion, HeyGen is one of the best platforms that we use. We went all in and we bought a yearly subscription. It really helped us doing our work on different social media. It's affordable. They have different tools and they are constantly adding new tools. So feel free to create a free account. Try it out. If you like the platform, we suggest that you buy the yearly subscription because from this point, prices can only go up. I hope that this video helped you and that you learned something new today. If you did, like this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and I'll see you in some of the next ones.